And guys, this is my like. I'm just gonna do a quick view. Get pterodactyl. Got my lighthouse. A boat. Um, the guy doing windboarding. Another boat. Dino set. And the same dino set, but NPC. Got the rock. Got the bear. Got the blue sky. You got the truck. Got the dino car. Aliens. Small car. Space sets. Into anything. Got that rocket fuel to put in there. You got the Grand Point over there. You got the helicopter there. You got all the robbers and stuff in there. Then you got two people up there. You got the heavy duty helicopter right there. You got the road. You got gas truck. Dump truck there. Got police truck there. Gas truck there. Garbage truck there. Van, car, they connect together. Custom Lego house. Go ahead, show you this real quick. Walk-in doorway. Kitchen. Bedroom. Living room. Computer room. Computer lab. We got a trash can here. You have fire hydrant there. Got a guy putting groceries in his trunk. Got the pool there. Got that there. Got like a little bar. You got the guy going to enter the shop, and there chimney and sink. Bye. Bye guys.